Bitch, I can even roll in peace, why? Everybody notice me, yeah. I can even go to sleep, why? I'm rolling on the beam, yeah. They tried to give me 8, got on my knee like Jesus, please. He don't even believe in Jesus. Why you got a Jesus, please?
This is my G37S. As you see, it's completely stock. Yeah. This birdie got it about like 2 weeks ago. I haven't did anything to it, but just go over the, regular maintenance and stuff like that. As you see, it's on the 19x9 inky OEM wheels. So I do got a couple of things that I do want to do to this thing. As you know, if you've seen my last video where I got scammed and getting this car, pretty much I got the car knowing that it needed this, and that was it. He didn't tell me that it needed a master slave cylinder as well as the clutch. So I ordered those pieces that I needed in my oil, red line, red line, gear oil or training, one of those things. Then I got the Motul brake fluid, the high temperature, sorry about that, the high temperature Motul brake fluid. And just been going through a lot of videos just trying to see what are the simple mods and what are the hard mods and what are the ins and outs of this vehicle. So been doing quite a bit of research. It's a pretty clean car, as I said in the last video. It has a few rips in the seats. Not too bad, but I wish it was none. Well, it's the navigation version. It has the Bose system. Let's go ahead and start it up for you guys. Six-speed trans. Oh yeah, man, I was off that DMX right there. That's a good car. Everything works. AC works. Yeah. 115,000 miles, no engine light. Has what is it that? The air, whatever this thing is for the tires. It's like the sensor inside the tires for the air pressure sensors for the tires. Yeah, well, this is the problem right now. It's going straight to the floor. But that'll be done. I have that fixed. It won't let me go in the gear like I stated in the other video. So go ahead and let you guys see under the hood. It's all stock. It's nothing to be happy about unless you're happy about 300 plus horsepower. And you can use a little bit of cleaning up too, wiping down. We probably paint my valve cover, whatever this engine cover. And I also do want to change my grill, but I was wondering if I should buy a new one because I have a small crack right here, but it's not bad. I might not even buy it. You can probably see it in the video right here. It's like a little small crack. Nothing bad. You can see it when I do that. That's still something, so I might just keep it. I definitely want to find a new bumper, so if anybody out there got a new bumper, my number is 626-529-4011. Give me a call. Let me know what. Alright, well, yep, I'm on my way to go start on this job with the G37S. I'm in the beater right now. PB. Yeah, if you guys don't know about her, she's an OG from the set. PB from the hood. Shit, my little beater. It's all good. What I'm playing. Let's see what I was listening to. Most likely it's Migos. That's all this. That's the only CD that's in this bitch. Well, I had to go get my shoes, my work shoes.
Had the streets on lock for a long time.
Right there.
Thank God for blessing me young nigga for this shit.
My power steering and that young beater. PB for the win still. Still gotta get some things done on this car too. But yeah, I'm on my way. Go do the clutch on it. The clutch and master slave cylinder, the flywheel and all that good stuff on the G37 right now. So I get back at you guys. Back at it again with the, G37. Finna get this clutch going. Yeah. Got it in the air on force. Feel me? Yeah, I'm almost. I ain't touched the bottom yet. I'm just getting the insides right now. I'm getting this right. I gotta get under there and take that the bottom of this part off that holds this. It should be like a 14. Yeah, it's going good so far. Welcome back to MODS4-TV. I got my parts in today. I'll give you guys the first look of what I got today. The G37S parts. First look. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube page, YouTube channel, you guys can go ahead and check out MODS4-TV on YouTube. Definitely trying to get it going. Subscribe, and subscribe. See what we got. First box. This might be the clutch. Yeah, it's the clutch. Oh, what is that? Kevlar pressure plate. Well, got the rest of the piece. This is not the color that it was, but it's gonna have to work. It's gotta be the flywheel. See if they change the color on this one. That's what it's supposed to be. The flywheel. Got the flat the clutch with the disc, and then one more piece. What we got right here? Oh, the slave cylinder. Brand new slave cylinder. Brand new clutch. Well, it's almost together. Probably in the next couple of days it'll probably be back and going. Yeah, man. Got the thing, got the exhaust down. Getting there, you feel me? Got my what is that, Milwaukee over there doing their works. Got some B-series parts in there, let me know. Yeah, man. I'm getting to it, man. Just got all the little heat shields and stuff off. I'm almost there to the tranny. Still gotta disconnect. Still gotta disconnect a lot of things right here. Guys, what's up? How you guys doing? I'm working on it still. Trying to get everything situated. And I'm getting there though. I just like gotta disconnect a lot of these clips and stuff. These connectors. Still gotta disconnect this right here once I get the drive shaft out. I'm wondering, should I drain it? Drain the tranny first before I take the thing down? Or should I just... yeah, I think I'm gonna drain it. Well, yeah, I'm gonna get to that. I gotta get those 4 bolts down here. Just like this. I'm not gonna take it down from right here. Take it down from down there. Those 4 bolts. Oh yeah, I gotta remember to mark it so I won't get any wobbles or any off balance in my driving. Well, in my drive shaft when I re-bolt it back up. These 2 bolts right here. This one. And this one right here. Tranny out and the clutch and the flywheel and everything out, and look at the damage. That motherfucker is fucked. That's from all the fucking oil and shit. Look at my clutch. That's all oil and shit built up right there. All this got oil all over it from the slave cylinder leaking. Ate that clutch up. All that oil and shit all over it. That's how much oil was built up on it. And that's still kind of wet. Damn. Well, I'm glad I got fat shit out. I'm working slow. I'm by myself, so it'll get done eventually. Well, until then, I'll let you guys know I'm out. Well, back at it again, you know, got the tranny out. Took me a little bit, but getting fixed with the cleaning. It was way dirtier than this. I already did a coat up of this shit. Wiped it down a little bit. Already. Get most of this stuff out so it don't go in there dirty. Have a fresh start. And put the new clutch in. Won't be no oil bouncing around in here at all. This is the progress that I got going right now. I'm at the Flywheel right now. I'm waiting on one of my friends to let me borrow a torque wrench, and so I can properly do this right. That way none of my bolts back out and it's hearing them inside the clutch and gotta drop the tranny again. But yeah, I'm getting there. Yeah, just giving you an update on where I'm at. Alright, you guys. Catch you in a little bit. As you know, progress do go with time. So it's up there, so I'll torque down. I got some brain freeze right now. My other homie with these jack stands, even though he almost killed me. Look at this. I have to rig this motherfucker up. It's cracked. Look. See that shit? Well, we back at it though. It's almost done. Gotta get back over there with the tranny and the well, yeah, just the tranny. Yeah, we almost in there. Like somewhere. Take the god thing out. Let's go. And we out of here. Got down putting the tranny fluid in there, the air oil. Tranny's in there. Your ass in there. In there. No problems, no leaks. You know, my exhaust back up. Everything is back to going. It's normal, you already know. You know, I do my thing. I gotta get this exhaust leak fixed. But that's the exhaust leak I was telling you about. It's right there. Probably can hear it in the fucking. Yeah, well, that's it. I got it. I'm out of here. And I'm doing my thing. Hit me up if y'all need some work. Well, the G37 is almost on the ground. 2 more jack stands to go. I'll be ripping the road. She almost down. Thanks for everybody that helped me. I appreciate it. Anybody letting me borrow their tools. My boy Rick, Rick Cooks or Crooks, one of them. Rick, thank you. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Your dad, thank you. I appreciate it a lot. Whoever gave me any type of inspirational fucking knowledge or anything on this car, I appreciate it. And you know, finna go get this baby a wash. Ready to do my thing. Not burning no rubber. I'm finna break it in. I remember, still gotta break it in. I don't want no glaze on my clutch. But yeah, man, y'all take it easy. Thank you for watching MODS4-TV. I appreciate it. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. You know, give me a like or, you know, follow me on Instagram at MODS4-TV. Yeah, my name is Darnell, if y'all know me. They call me PG because my brown car. Yeah, she ugly right now, but I get it right. Yeah, but back to my Infinity G37S, and we out of here. And this is how you do it in the G. Sorry for the lighting. Got the chatter that they always talk about in all the videos. Yeah, it's working. Here with the G. Well, yeah, man. I finally got it fixed. It's back there. It's finally back at home, out of the dirt. Yeah. Well, I put it together with a little bit of help. My bro helped me out, guided in a little bit for me, helped me with that. Rick and his dad helped me out with the tools I need. My boy Mark Anthony helped me out with the jack stands. I appreciate it. And everybody that, like I said, helped me out with anything on it, I appreciate it. Thank you. And yeah, she's back. Oh, and if you want to see more videos like this, let me know. It's MODS4-TV, and let me know. Yeah, it's my first and second blog. My first blog was when I got scammed. This is my second video. Let me know how you like it. Give me a like in the comment box. And yeah, all right.
Hey, everything be like off the top these days. Like these days, I don't even know what a pad is these days. You know? Yeah. Hey. Fuck that hoe, cause she a nat-nat. You ain't the one for me, baby. You ain't got shit I need, bitch. You want me to take my time with you, or maybe I'm not your speed, bitch. Maybe I'm not your lead, bitch. You ain't got no cheese, bitch. Maybe I'm just too G for you, maybe I'm just too screed, bitch. I can eat rolling peas, why? Everybody know